I'm Chef Ana Garcia from LVB Bonita Culinary Vacations in Tepoztlán, Morelos, Mexico. And today we're gonna make something super easy and very refreshing because it's really hot here now, and it's called Agua de Frutas, or a lime and hinojo water. So Ram, how do you say hinojo in English?
I'm not sure.
I know, I remembered. It's called Fennel. So I have a fennel here that I bought a few days ago from a local farmer, and I always wonder what the heck do I do with this? So I've been making fresh water with it, or as my friend Kitty likes to say, Agua de Frutas. So I'm gonna use a little bit of it. I'm not gonna use a ton because it has a lot of flavor. They've already been washed. And you're gonna think, oh my gosh, she's gonna make lemonade, seriously? Well, this is a different lemonade. This is a Mexican style lemonade. You could use hinojo like I'm using right now, or you can use mint, or you could use cucumber, or you could use just lemon, okay? I meant lime, sorry, not lemon, lime. So I'm gonna put the hinojo here, and I have here 6 cups of water, and I put the hinojo right there. And what makes this agua de limon or lemonade different is I'm gonna throw the limes in here with skins and everything. And these are Persian limes, so they have no seeds in them. But if you were making it with like key limes or Mexican limes, then you would wanna take the seeds out. So I'm just gonna throw them in like this. I usually tend to make this lemonade when I'm in a super hurry because I find this easier than actually squeezing limes, or when my limes are not looking so nice, or when I have limes that don't have a lot of juice. Okay, so I'm gonna do another lime in there and put it in here. I'm gonna add half a cup of sugar in here. If you want to make this without sugar, just use less lime. So I would use 1 lime for 6 cups of water, and then the hinojo or the mint, and that would make a very delicious flavored water without any sugar. But you don't want to add too much lime, because if you add too much lime, then you would end up making it too sour. Or you could use maybe a little honey if you're not against that. I'm gonna try and find my lid, which I don't know where it is. Are you trying to find it too, Rob? Did you find it? Thank you. Thank you. So he's not only a cameraman, he's also an assistant. So I'm gonna take it to the blender and put it right here. And just give it a quick whiz. You don't wanna blend it too much, because if you do, then the pith is gonna taste bitter, which you don't want. So I'm just gonna give it a quick one. That's fine. And then, you see, I'm gonna strain it. Okay. Strain it into here. And hopefully all will go into the pitcher, which is what I want. And just add it in there. Perfect. And this is what they do in the mercado when they're making agua de frutas. And just go like that. Don't squeeze, because once again, if you squeeze, you're gonna end up by getting all the pith in there, and it's gonna be bitter. You just wanna leave it like that. And then I'm gonna add a bunch of ice, and that's gonna make it nice and delicious for my family. Ale, ¿me regalas un vasito con hielos, porfis? So I'm gonna get a... Oh, Rob is gonna hate this because we're not doing anything. So do you have a glass there, Ale? No, you don't. So she's gonna get some ice. So I'm just gonna taste this before I serve it, because you never ever serve anything without tasting it. And I'm gonna stir this. It's already stirred basically. I'm just gonna use this spoon to taste with. Thank you, Ale. And can I have some ice in there, please? Oh, that's perfect. So I'm gonna put this here in the sink. And it has, oh, that's so good. And are you gonna do serve it in a nice glass. And you have delicious Agua de Frutas. So this is lemonade with hinojo or fennel. And you could do it with mint. And you could also add some vodka in here. It'd be nice, delicious. So please like us, share us. Please make a reservation with La Villa Bonita Culinary Vacations. Make a deposit or a reservation, or do a donation or GoFundMe. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.